There's mummy skeletons knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play.
Hey guys, it's Jen.
And it's Chris,
and we're with Monsters and More.
So today we're here at the Sam's Club in Louisville. They do have Code Orange out. They've got Halloween, and they also got some Christmas out already, believe it or not. So we're going to do a little walkthrough and let you see what they got in case you're interested and you want to come pick something up. You'll be able to know what's here.
All right, guys, let's check it out. And these are super cute light up wreaths. Here, yeah, step to that side. There you go. Isn't that adorable? I love all the colors. That is super cute. And that is $34.94. Then they have your...
It's
what is that?
10-foot animated Reaper.
10-foot animated Reaper.
Hello there, trick-or-treaters. Come a little closer.
Well, isn't that neat?
We'd love for you to join us this evening.
Yes, and for all eternity.
Happy Halloween.
What do you think about that? That's cute, ain't it? So they still have one of them left here for $229.96.
That's not bad. That's a little more like cutesy, not scary Halloween stuff
well,
like we
and
do.
I know this is cutesy too, but listen, y'all, ain't they cute?
We could have him to play with our band.
Yeah, look. He's just looking him like.
Those are 5.5 foot tall, 159.
They're pretty neat.
Now though, they're doing a lot more of this sparkly, glittery, whatever. I don't care much for that myself, but if you're doing more cutesy instead of spooky, then
it's $59.77.
Not
it
bad.
looks like they have
The Reaper
5-foot pre-lit Reapers and Cat, and there they are lit up. $89.97.
and they got Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice blow up archway. $199.94. It looks like they have party decorating kits, balloon arch, streamers, banners, tablecloth. That's $29.88.
Was that a whole kit?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, now I like the little houses. Hey, that's not a bad price for them.
Mm-mm.
$29.97.
Yeah.
And they have several of them left here. Oh,
Now,
look
like
at-
Frankenstein.
I know. A little candy
bow.
bows. $19.97.
Got the inflatable dino costume for $39.98. Spooktacular finds. Like Minnie Mouse. Bows. Hair bows. How much?
Headbands.
$24.98.
$24.98.
Ah, look at that Frankenstein candy ghost. That's pretty cool.
Cute. Mm-hmm.
24 pack.
Those $11.94.
Do we need to get one of them hand out at Halloween?
You got your fall wreaths, $34.94. And as Chris told you, they've already got their Christmas out. So here's you some Christmas lights. They've already got started.
$72-inch pop-up snowman for $129.
He's cute. He's that fluffy material.
Yeah.
Then they have the 3-piece animated deer family. And there's your glitter show again. They got the arch.
And that's pretty cool. But
Now, I I would more apt to do this at Christmas
Yes,
than
for
I
Christmas
would for
and
Halloween.
for Halloween, for sure.
But that is a cute little
I like
setup
that
right
archway.
there. Mm-hmm. And he would sparkle and shine in the snow and at night.
Yep.
I like that. But again, I wouldn't want it at Halloween. 169 looks like for the snowman. The tree's 159, and the deers are 219. They have your 3-wick candles, 1997.
These are 5-wick.
Oh, 5-wick. Sorry. Looks like they have your 7-foot slim Christmas trees, $139.97. More Christmas trees.
And we're back to Halloween.
And we're
Jack-o'-lantern.
back to Halloween. $39.94. Now those are cute to set outside. It looks like they do have some kiddo costumes here. Disney premium gowns. $39.98, $29.98.
Well, baby, it's a shame it won't fit you. You could be a princess.
No, see.
Well, here's yours. You can be a witch.
Adult costumes. It said, see, they do have adult costumes. I could still be a princess.
Imagine that.
Then they got your little
Plush
plush
toys.
ones. $19.94 for them.
Here, I'll hold up a few of them so you can see them better. The little witch kitty, I guess, and then that one's cute.
Oh, that's
Little
cute. I
bat.
like that.
And then the ghost, and then of course the pumpkin.
That's cute.
That looks like that's it.